I am a guest here at the Haarlem Festival where I have been coming for, I think, since 1996, off and on. So I used to come every couple of years with my friends Dane Clowes and Charles Burns, sometimes Seth. The last time I was here, I think, was 2002, on the occasion of Seth's marriage to his wife Tanya. This was their honeymoon, was to come here. So it's a lovely town. I love coming here. And Joost Zwarte is one of my favorite artists on planet Earth. He's inspired me ever since I was a kid. So to be in his town and his turf always means a lot to me, to be able to see him. So to be in a beautiful country of intelligent, civilized people is always refreshing and enervating, and it lasts, when I go back home, it lasts for about 36 hours, and then I realize I'm back in America. So I'm sure you all are paying attention to the gradual collapse of our country, and I apologize for that just in general as an American. So I don't know how it's going to affect the overall world, whatever, but yeah, things aren't good, so sorry about that. Experiment in democracy and all that kind of stuff. Nothing is forever. So anyway, these are a bunch of my drawings from over the years. This show began in the Pompidou in Paris, or maybe perhaps more properly at Angoulême, where I was given a show 3 years ago? 3 years ago, I believe. So it kind of started there for one weekend, and then the Pompidou took it and redesigned the entire thing, where it was for several months in 2022, and it's been going around spreading its virus in various European countries ever since, and yours is the latest to be infected. So these drawings here are from a book I started in the 1990s called Jimmy Corrigan. I was doing it as a weekly strip in the weekly newspaper in Chicago. And I'd originally envisioned it as just a short story about some character, the main character, herewith pictured, Jimmy Corrigan, meeting his father for the first time. Because I was in the same state as he was. I'd never met my real dad, and I thought doing this story would maybe be a way of me figuring out how to do it when I finally did.